Hey guys, welcome back. Kevin here, Trooper Fix channel. I finally, after 6 months, got my little clips that I've been waiting all this time on. Let me show them to you. Yeah, can you believe I've been waiting 6 months for these little things? They came all the way from Japan. Now, let me show you what this is for. On top of my roof up here, you can see I have this rain gutter. And the two that attach to the windshield are different because they attach the trim piece, which goes alongside the windshield, and the rain gutter, which runs all the way down the side. So, yeah, these little things right here, I've been waiting quite some time for, and I can finally install them. So, the way that this works, the one, of course, on the windshield has to attach here onto the front and onto the side, but these are a little bit different. They just snap right here onto the sides. So I was going to show you guys how to do this, and if I remember this correctly, these actually go down and slide in like so. And you have 4 of them that go down the windshield, and that is going to hold my rain gutter on. So this is going to go just some way like this. There. Now I've got 2 more. And I'm going to put one probably right about here. And of course I'm going to put one right on the very end. Let's see, that doesn't go on there exactly. I think I'll put it here, close to the back as I can. We have a gap here. You can see what I'm looking at here. There's a gap. So I'm going to put this one as close as I can to the back, but still get it in place there. All right, now, let me show you what I've been saving for 6 months to put back these bad boys. Now, let's see. One of these is right, and one of these is left. I'll just take a guess here. That one must be the other side. And now this, look at how much better that's gonna look. So let me go back up to the front and get this aligned. So you can see right here, this has to align and actually I think it goes under this piece. Like that maybe? Look at that. Very nice. Okay, it's just gonna clip right on. There. All right. That looks so much better. Put a little bit of back in black on that, and I'll be back ready to go. And let me show you the difference. You can see down this side how much better that looks as opposed to down the top of this side where it's missing. All right, that was quite a wait, but it was well worth it. Now that I have these on, it's just gonna finish off the top of this thing. So I'm super excited about it. And that was almost the last piece I'm waiting on the Trooper. I'm almost done. I'm kind of bored now. I don't have any projects to do, so I'll have to come up with something else to do next. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, subscribe, like, send me any comments or questions you have about the Trooper. I'll be happy to get back with you. Thank you.